flowers dance and leaves do sway, lives a troop of butterflies, graceful, light, and full of surprise. With wings of colors bold and bright, they flutter softly in the light. In the morning's gentle ray, they prepare for their ballet. Petals serve as their stage, nature's dance for ageless sage. The roses, daisies, lilacs too, all await this splendid view. Twirl and spin, we start to dance, every move a pure romance. Yellow, blue, and fiery red, gliding lightly, wings widespread. Through the air they dip and rise, a ballet beneath the skies. Children watch and laugh with glee at this wondrous flying spree. As the sun begins to set, their performance we won't forget. For in the garden bright and fair lives a magic beyond compare. The butterflies then take their rest, in their garden they are blessed, until the dawn when they'll convey another lovely butterfly ballet. In a garden bright and gay, where flowers dance and leaves do sway, lives a troop of butterflies, graceful, light, and full of surprise. With wings of colors bold and bright, they flutter softly in the light. In the morning's gentle ray, they prepare for their ballet. Petals serve as their stage, nature's dance for ageless sage. The roses, daisies, lilacs too, all await this splendid view. For the air they dip and rise, a ballet beneath the skies. Children watch and laugh with glee at this wondrous flying spree. As the sun begins to set, their performance we won't forget. For in the garden bright and fair lives a magic beyond compare. The butterflies then take their rest, a ballet beneath the skies. Children watch and laugh with glee at this wondrous flying spree. As the sun begins to set, their performance we won't forget. For in the garden bright and fair lives a magic beyond compare. The butterflies then take their rest, in their garden they are blessed.